Hello students, today we will study word problems on age in linear equations in two variables. Here is the problem. After 5 years, the age of Sudama will be 3 times that of his son. 5 years ago, Sudama was 7 times that of his son. What are their present ages? So in this problem, we have to find present ages of Sudama and his son. So we'll start with the solution. So always what we do in the word problems, we write this, we assume this. So let the present age of Sudama be x and the present age of son be y. So instead of doing it like that, what I'll do is I'll write in the table form. We have Sudama and his son. So let the present ages of Sudama be x and present age of son be y. So I'll just complete this table. What are the other two things given to us? Other two conditions are 5 years, after 5 years. So after 5 years, or we can call it that 5 years ends. Sometimes the word is given as 5 years ends. So after 5 years, now present age of Sudama is x. If suppose your present age is 15, what will be your age after 5 years? It is 15 plus 5 is equal to 20. So same way, if the present age of Sudama is x, then after 5 years, Sudama will be x plus 5. So present age of son is y. So after 5 years, son will be y plus 5. And another condition is 5 years ago. So 5 years ago. So now, suppose your age is 15. What is your age 5 years ago? 15 minus 5 is equal to 10. Same way, Sudama's present age is x. So Sudama's age 5 years ago will be x minus 5. And son's age 5 years ago will be y minus 5. So I am completing this table. Okay, so based on this table, now we will complete, we'll go again for the problem. What is condition 1? Condition 1. Condition 1 is after 5 years. After 5 years, Sudama's age will be x plus 5. Sudama is equal to x plus 5 years. X plus 5 years. And son's age will be y plus 5 years. And given what? After 5 years, age of Sudama is 3 times. So Sudama is equal to 3 times the age of son. So Sudama is x plus 5, which is equal to 3 times y plus 5. So once we simplify, x plus 5 is equal to 3 into y is 3y. So we know that monomial into binomial, 3 into y and 3 into 5. Plus sign, plus 3 into 5 is 15. So I'll take this 3y this side. So x minus 3y is equal to this 5 I am taking to other side. This is plus 5 here. When I take it to other side, it becomes minus 5. So 15 minus 5 is 10. So condition 1, equation 1. I'll go for condition 2. Condition 2. What is condition 2? 5 years ago. 5 years ago. 5 years ago, what was the age of Sudama? Sudama was x minus 5 and son y minus 5. And given condition, Sudama was 7 times. Sudama was 7 times his son. So x minus 5 is equal to 7 times y minus 5. Again, x minus 5 is equal to 7 into y is 7y, and 7 into 5 minus sign is a 7 into 5 is 35. So I'm taking this 7y this side is plus 7y because minus 7y is equal to minus 35. This minus 5 when I take to other side it becomes plus 5. Minus 35 plus 5 is minus 30. So this is equation 2. So condition 1, equation 1, condition 2, equation 2. We will simplify these two equations by any of the methods. So I will go for elimination method. X minus 3y is equal to 10. This is equation 1. And x minus 7y is equal to minus 30. You can make out here. Directly we can cancel x and x because both have coefficient 1. So on the signs are same. So I am taking sign means I am subtracting. So this becomes minus. This becomes plus. This becomes plus. So now plus x minus x cancel. Minus 3 plus 7. So 7 minus 3 is 4. Sign of bigger number. So 4y is equal to plus 30 plus 10 is plus 40. And therefore y equal to 40 upon 4. 4 1s are 4 10s are. So y is equal to 10. Now to get value of x, we have to substitute y is equal to 10 in either 1 or 2. So I will substitute in 1. Substitute y is equal to 10 in 1. So x minus 3y, in place of y we are substituting 10. X into 3y is equal to 10. So here x minus 3 into 10 is 30. Minus 30 when I take to other side it becomes plus 30. 10 plus 30 will be 40. So x is equal to 40. And therefore x is 40 and y is 10. What is our x? X means the present age of Sudama. Therefore answer present age of Sudama is equal to 40 years and present age of son is equal to 10 years. We will check it. We will check our answers. So we know in the first condition what it says 5 years ago. 5 years ago. The second condition 5 years after 5 years. After 5 years Sudama will be 45. Son will be 10 plus 5 is 15. Condition is 3 times. Yes, 15 3 is 45. So first condition satisfies. Second condition 5 years ago. 5 years ago Sudama was 40 minus 5 35. Son is 10 minus 5 is 5. 5 7 the 35 is 7 times. So our answers are correct. And therefore present age of Sudama is 40 years and present age of son is 10 years. Okay, we'll go for another problem. 2 years ago, Mahesh was thrice as old as his daughter. And 6 years later means we can consider as ends, he will be 4 years older than twice her age. How old are they now? So we'll go for solution. So how old are they now means let the Mahesh's present age be x and the daughter's present age be y years. So instead of doing that, what I'll do is I'll do table as done earlier. So I'm taking Mahesh and daughter. So I'm taking here present age. So let the present age of Mahesh be x and daughter be y. 2 years ago. So 2 years ago. So now we know if suppose your present age is 15. 2 years ago you are 15 minus 2, that is 13. So now Mahesh's present age is x. So 2 years ago Mahesh was x minus 2 and daughter will be y minus 2. Okay, and same way, and 6 years later, 6 years later, 6 years later means 6 years after 6 years ends. So Mahesh will be x plus 6 and daughter will be y plus 6. So I am completing this table. So we have taken present age of Mahesh and daughter be x and y. Then 2 years ago minus 2, 6 years ends plus 6. Now we'll go for condition 1. condition 1. What is condition 1? 2 years ago, Mahesh was thrice as old as daughter. So 2 years ago, Mahesh was x minus 2 is equal to 3 times daughter was y minus 2. Therefore, x minus 2 is equal to this. I am multiplying 3 into y is 3y, 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. So 3y minus 6. So I am taking this 3y this side, it becomes x minus 3y is equal to minus 6. This minus 2 goes to other side as plus 2. Minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4. So condition 1, equation 1. We will go for condition 2. Condition 2. What does condition 2 say? 6 years later. 6 years later, he will be 4 years older than twice her age. Mahesh and daughter, 2 years plus 4. 4 years is older. So either you can subtract 4 here. Mahesh minus 4 is equal to 2 times daughter. Or you can take Mahesh is equal to 2 times daughter plus 4. To make it equal, either you have to add 4 here or subtract here. Because Mahesh is 4 years older. So Mahesh minus 4 is equal to 2 times daughter. So Mahesh was 6 years, 6 years later Mahesh will be x plus 6. So x plus 6 minus 4 is equal to 2 times daughter is y plus 6. This will give us x plus 2 equal to 2y. 2 into 6 is plus 12. So I am taking this 2y this side. So x minus 2y is equal to 12 is there. This plus 2 I am taking to the other side. It becomes minus 2. 12 minus 2 is 10. So condition 2, equation 2. So from condition 1 we got equation 1. From condition 2 we got equation 2. So 2 equations are there. So I will solve this by any of the method. Elimination, substitution or cross multiplication. I think elimination is more easy, so I will take elimination again. So x minus 3y is equal to minus 4 and x minus 2y is equal to 10. So to cancel this x, what we have to do is subtract it. Minus plus minus. So whenever we subtract, we change signs of all the terms in the second equation. So plus x minus x cancel. Minus 3y plus 2y will give us minus y. And minus 10 minus 4. Both are minus. We get it minus 14. Minus 10 cancel. Therefore y is equal to 14. So now substitute y is equal to 14 either in 1 or 2. I think 2 is more easy. So we have to always check which one is easier to solve. Okay. And so accordingly we have to substitute. So substitute y is equal to 14 in equation 2. So what is 2? X minus 2 into y is 14 is equal to 10. Therefore x minus 28 is equal to 10. Therefore x is equal to 10. This minus 28 goes at plus 28 and therefore x is equal to 38. So what is x? X is Mahesh's present age. Therefore answer present age of Mahesh is equal to 38 years and present age of daughter is equal to 14 years. We will check it. To check it, so 2 years ago Mahesh was 36 and daughter will be 12. So it should be thrice. 12 3 is 36. So correct. Then second, 6 years later 38 plus 6 is 44 and 14 plus 6 is 20. 22 the, so twice. plus 4. 20 twice 40 plus 4 is 44. So this again satisfies, and therefore our answer, that is age of Mahesh is 38 years and age of daughter is 14 years, is correct. So always you have to check the answers substituting in original problem, not in the equations, because sometimes if we make mistake here, we will get a correct. If the equations are wrong, then this will satisfy to the equation, but we have to always check answer with the original problem and not with the equations. Is it clear? Thank you.